I really love seeing other sides of the world because I am a naturally curious person. And whenever I go to a different country, I love to observe and analyze the way familiar things are done differently. I remember the time when I went to Japan. I was so inspired by the efficient design of their rail system. I was able to go from Tokyo back to Miyajima, and I wouldn't have been able to do this if they weren't able to simplify such a complex system into a simple rail map. As a user experience designer, I look deeply into the challenges that people face in getting things done, whether it's in their personal lives or at work. And I think of ways on how to apply digital technologies so that I can transform their experiences for them. So usually it's through web apps or mobile apps, but experience design is becoming so much more because you have things like augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality that are added into the mix. Every day I'm learning about these new technologies and how I can use them for businesses to make things easier for them, more efficient, more enjoyable for their customers. So while I do find these things challenging, it's also interesting for me at the same time because it's all about discovering new possibilities on how to create products and services that are meaningful for people.